guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install this license plate bracket right here and how to install this license plate right into this bracket. The license plates are pretty easy to install, but if you do it for the first time, it can be a little bit tricky. As you can see right here, this bracket has more holes in it than a Swiss cheese, but that is made on purpose and I will explain to you why. If you buy a used car, like I did, there's a big chance that the front and rear bumper are full of holes for the plate brackets. Now, because of so many holes on this bracket, we can fix this bracket on our rear bumper easily. We can choose position that is the best fit for this current bumper holes and we can secure this bracket easily. If you don't have any holes in your bumper, position your plate bracket on the bumper, mark where you want those holes to be and drill them with a small drill bit. Now, before we insert this license plate in there, if you have found any value in this video so far, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so you can help more people. Thank you for that, and now let's finish this. So on this version of bracket, we have this cover right here, and we have one pin here and one pin here on this side. And as you can see, this pin can go up and down like this. Sometimes it's a little bit harder, so you need to use a screwdriver like this, but eventually, yeah, you can get it down. This is what we call open position. So basically just take your license plate, and as you can see right here, you have this groove. Put your license plate on the top side into this groove. So just close this cover. You can hear the clicks. Yeah. And the last thing is to move this pin up. As you can see, this is the closed position of this pin, and now it is preventing this license plate from falling out. Close this second pin. Nice. And just to be sure, check the overall stability of this license plate and license plate bracket. Yeah, basically just try to rip it off. If you cannot do it, it means you did a good job. Now, if you are interested in some other types of license plate mountings, I will leave some links in the description for you to check out. And if you are interested in some other car tips that I have for you, you can check out these links right here. That's it. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.